Hello friends, this is Sanjay Kurkure. Welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjay Kurkure English Academy. Today I am presenting the video related to a very important topic, formal letter. Friends, in your question paper there is section 5 related to writing skills. In section 5, question 5 is related to letter writing. A1 is related to informal letter and A2 is related to formal letter. In this video, following points given in index are explained. Number 1, definition of formal letter. Number 2, role or purpose of formal letter. Number 3, features of formal letter. Number 4, types of formal letter. Number 5, steps of writing formal letter. Number 6, important points to be focused. Number 7, format of the formal letter. Number 8, do's and don'ts while writing a formal letter. Let us see the definition of formal letter. Definition from Collins Dictionary: a written or printed communication addressed to a person, company, etc., usually sent by post in an envelope. Formal letter is the letter in a prescribed format, strictly following the rules of grammar and written for various purposes. Role or purpose of formal letter: letter which is written with various purposes like business, commerce, academic, order, request, invitation, complaint, enquiry, apology, reply, demand, and application. Features of formal letter: courtesy, correctness, professional, passive voice, topic oriented, short, clear and precise, formal and courteous language. There is no acquaintance, no personal tone, no casual language, no abbreviations and no contractions. Now let us see the types of formal letters. Official letters, business letters, complaint letters, order letters, application, enquiry letters, invitation letters, demand letters, and letters to the editor or newspapers. Let us see the next point, steps of writing formal letter. Sender's name and address, date in the appropriate format, recipient's address, greeting or salutation, subject of the letter, body, closing of the letter, signature. Points to be focused. Number 1, format. Block format should be used. It means everything including sender's name, address and date, recipient's address, greeting or salutation, and signature should be written on the left side of the letter. Second point, style. No abbreviations and no contractions should be used. Use courteous language. Focus on the given points. Use additional points. Write well developed paragraphs. Point number 3, topic. Focus on the main topic. Check whether all the points are included. Mention all the important references. Be clear, concise, and correct. Pay attention to grammar. Use courteous and polite language. Now let's talk about point number 7, format of formal letter. While writing a formal letter, block format should be used. According to block format rules, everything including sender's name, sender's address, date, greeting, salutation, recipient's address, recipient's designation, closing signature should be written on the left side of the letter. According to format, on the left top corner of the letter, write the sender's name on the first line. On the next line, write the sender's address. Then on the next line, write the date in the appropriate format. Then leave one blank line space. 2. Then write the recipient's designation or the name. Then write recipient's address. Leave one blank line space. Then greeting or salutation. Then subject or topic of the letter. Develop the given points and write them in 2 or 3 paragraphs. Then there is closing and signature. Do's and don'ts. At first, let us see the points of do's. While writing the formal letter, consider these points. State your purpose or idea clearly. Keep it short, concise, to the point. Use formal language. Avoid the repetition. Follow the format and rules. Convert questions into statements. Pay attention to grammar, spellings, and punctuation marks. Next is the list of don'ts. Don't use informal language. Don't use personal tone. Don't address the person by the first name. Don't use the personal pronouns like I, we, you, etc. Don't use contractions. For example, that's, won't, shouldn't, etc. Don't be rude and offensive when writing complaint letters. Don't use the phrases like, well, yes, by the way, etc. Now let's talk about the criteria for allocating marks. Sender's address and date, half mark. Recipient's address, half mark. Subject and salutation, half mark. Main body, 2 marks. Subscription or closing, half mark. And grammar, 1 mark. So total 5 marks weightage is given to formal letter. Thank you friends for watching this part. See you again in the next part of this video related to the same topic, formal letter.